What's going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning into the video. You are now watching part 5 of the E39 rebuild. If you haven't seen part 4 or any of the other parts and you want to catch yourself up, I'm going to leave links to those videos in the description below. But let's recap what happened in part 4. In part 4, I gave you guys a basic update of what was going on in the body shop through the painting process, the bumper, and everything. So if you haven't seen that, I'm going to leave a link below. But I don't know if you've noticed it yet, but I'm in the E39 and I picked it up. It's all done from the body shop. All the work's done that I'm going to have on the exterior. And yeah, I'm sitting inside of it right now for the first time in a long time. And I'm really glad that it turned out really nice. So yeah, you guys want to go check it out with me? Let's go. Man, I can't explain to you guys how excited I am to have this car back. It's been in the body shop for like 3 months. And it's just been limiting me on footage for so long, and I'm just excited to finally have it for you guys. So let's do a countdown to make the reveal of how it looks. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, do you guys see how it looks? Holy cow, with that M5 style bumper. Look at that thing. Oh my freaking gosh. Does it look good or what? Let me know in the comments how it looks compared to what you guys have seen it before. That M5 style bumper came out really nice. Got it painted alpine white. Look at that thing. Wow. It looks so freaking good, man. We got that fender straightened out and the rear bumper painted. But look at it from far in that sun, man. Come on, that thing looks so nice. I love how it looks. I think it's turned out great. All I need is that round L in the front, but it's already on the way in the mail. But come on, guys, what you think? What you think of her? Does it look good so far? Let me know in the comments how they did. So we got that bumper painted. This fender right here straightened out. Look how good it looks now. Just had a little damage to it, but it's straight. Everything's straight. All the lining is perfect. See that lining? Perfect. It's very hard for the body shops to get that line to be straight and good. Everything here is really good. The door opens well. The rear bumper looks really freaking good. We got it off that parts car. Sanded it down and they painted it. Look at that, no damage whatsoever. There used to be that crack right here and it's gone, but it looks so freaking good, guys. Yeah, but let's go talk about what's in the future ahead. All right, you guys, now that I showed you the car and how fantastic it turned out, I think it's time to discuss what we're gonna be doing in this car in the future. This car is nowhere near the way I want it to be. I want to try to make it look as showroom quality as I can. First of all, it needs a bath because this thing is really dirty on the outside and on the inside. But yeah, let me show you guys a couple things that kind of bother me about the car and that I want to do. So let's go check it out. For one, man, this engine's so freaking dusty. You guys see how dusty that is? Dust everywhere. I want to clean it. I want to do a video of me doing a engine detail. It's just so cold in St. Louis now. It's been hard for me to find a day to wash this thing, but outside's been washed by the body shop. But look how dusty it is, man. Shouldn't be that dusty. We're gonna be dusting it off, washing it, and just making it look brand new. All right, let me show you guys a little bit about the interior. Some cosmetic stuff. This little thing right here I think just needs to be washed off. Relatively, it's pretty clean on the inside. This thing's right here is cracked. I'm gonna try to fix this. I mean, I still have the parts card and stuff, but the interior is decently clean. I mean, this is the same condition I found it from Copart, so I haven't cleaned it up at all. There's just some coffee spill stains here, stain on the side of the chair. I got some stains up here too. Not sure how the coffee got everywhere, but you know, it's a little, I mean, it's pretty clean, but I want to clean it up, man. It's got some stains at some spots. But in the back, you know, something I noticed is this floorboard right here keeps getting wet. Just a lot of water just keeps piling up right here. And from what I read on the internet, it's saying the common problem is with this door, when you replace the window regulator, sometimes apparently people forget to put the cover, the water cover for the door. So I'm gonna have to probably take apart this door and replace that. But relatively, the inside's pretty clean, man. I'm not gonna lie, just some spills here and there, but I'll be able to clean stuff like that out without a problem. Just some tape here. and just some yellow marker stuff over there. But it's pretty clean, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty clean interior. I talked about in my last video how I was preparing to do all the maintenance on the car with the fluids, changing on the fluids, but as you can see, it's leaking oil from the oil pan. I think the oil pan's a little dented. It's an easy fix, simple fix. I just had to change the oil pan when I change the fluid, the oil, but as you guys can see, it's very noticeable. Another problem that I've noticed is something very common with older BMWs, and it's the pixels. When I put the car in the on ignition, you can see that it's having pixel issues on the left and the right side. You can't really tell what the words say from the pixels being missing. And it's the same thing on the radio. This is very common for older BMWs, but I was thinking about just sending it in to get fixed on this eBay service I found, because doing it yourself is very difficult, and you could get a manipulation light if you don't know what you're doing, and I want to avoid that. So if anybody in the comments has ever done anything with this pixel issue, let me know how it goes, how it went for you, because I'm thinking about doing it myself or just sending it in. But yeah, guys, mostly it's just all cosmetic stuff that's wrong with this car. All the major stuff's been taken care of, but I got a seat right here. Who wants to go on a ride with me? Let's go check out how the car runs and see if we can find any other issues when we drive. Let's listen to that V8 power. Ooh-wee. Couple revs. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and start this little ride. Overall, guys, the journey has been so fun. To me, you know, it's my first time rebuilding a car from Copart, and it's just been fun to just learn so much. You know, this car is just, it's so cool. It's a car I've always wanted when I was a kid. Growing up, something like this is a dream. So, you know, it means a lot to know that I'm starting to do things, man. So let's hit the stop sign. I want you guys to just do a quick little ride with me. Ride with Route 1, you know what I mean? Watch this, watch this. Woo! Damn, man. The way that it just hits, man, my heart's racing. Jeez. The way that it gets you accelerated, man, and that torque, you feel the torque in this car. That's the one thing I've noticed driving this car, is how torquey it is, and you can really feel the power. I'll try to hit the second gear right now. Whoa, man, I'm telling you, this thing is fast, guys. That V8 power, you can feel it in this car, no doubt about that, no doubt. One thing I've noticed driving this car, though, I'll say, is that it has a misalignment that needs to be fixed. When I'm driving, the steering wheel has to be turned a little bit to go straight. That's simple stuff. Alignment will fix it without a problem. But you know, it is what it is. As you guys can see, the steering wheel is like tilted a little bit to the left to go straight in the car. So I'm thinking it's just an alignment. When I let go of the wheel, it doesn't really swing left or right. So I think it's just a little alignment issue. No big deal. I'll get that taken care of too. Man, you guys, this car, I'll say one thing though for sure, is the way it rides is so smooth. BMW in general always made smooth cars, man. This car in a stick shift, it runs really good, man. I don't really have any complaints driving it. Down the road, I will be doing a car review on this, giving you guys all the features and all the specs, but overall, man, this car is really smooth. It drives fine, no check engine lights, nothing. I'm probably gonna get my scanner out and just test to see if there's any codes, but you know, I haven't found any since driving. But overall, this car is so fun, guys, so smooth, and you know, I like the car, but you know, let's see if we can get some speed, get some sounds with this car, man. Ooh-wee, man, that torque, I'm telling you, that V8 power, you will feel it. I'm telling you, you will feel it. But overall, it runs really good, guys. I don't see no major issues, no check engine lights. Everything's good. So let's pull over and check the scanner tool and see what else we got going on with it. But this tool is really helpful for everybody to have. You know, you could read codes for it. You could do a lot with these things, but let's see if we have anything. Looks like the green check mark went off. Codes found 0. So we're good, guys, no worries. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing below. It means a lot. We're gonna have a lot more videos for you guys. I've got the maintenance video coming next, and I'm gonna try to make this car showroom quality for you guys. We got a lot of work to do, but I'm glad I got the car back in my possession so I can make videos faster and more efficiently for you guys. Having it in the body shop, I can't do anything to it, so I feel good. I got my car back. She's not going anywhere. So thank you guys again for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you guys later.